Hey there, single guys, stop being a disaster in the kitchen. Let's learn the right way to take care of your home. Tired of living on instant noodles and sandwiches? We know that the single life can be tough, but it doesn't have to be this way. We're going to help you transform this chaos into a tidy and pleasant environment, starting now. Welcome to the first episode of the Bachelor's Manual. Today we're going to give you a general overview of everything you need to know to rock the single life. In the next episodes, we'll dive deeper into each tip. We'll teach you easy and delicious recipes that will impress your friends or that special someone. With practical tips, you'll learn how to keep everything in its place and live in a clean and organized space. Let's go on this transformation journey together, and at the end of this video, we'll show you the first simple recipe, but one that will impress people. The kitchen, that magical place where ingredients are transformed into delicious dishes, but fire is directly involved. But don't worry, with the right tips, you'll master this ancient art. Start with simple recipes and increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Learn how to make a perfect fried egg with the yolk just right and the white crispy. Fluffy rice that doesn't stick to the pan is essential. And even a simple chocolate cake to prepare. Onion and garlic are must-haves in your kitchen. Finely chop the onion to release more flavor and aroma. And don't forget to crush the garlic before adding it to the pan to intensify its flavor. Seasoning is the soul of the dish, but don't overdo it. Measurements are important. Use fresh herbs and spices sparingly to enhance the flavor of the ingredients. And always taste the food before adding more seasoning. It's much simpler than you think. Remember that ordering food once in a while is not a problem, but try to make the kitchen a place of learning and fun. Does your room look like a battlefield? Relax, we'll help you transform this chaos into a pleasant environment. First, start by separating what's trash from what can be stored. This will already make a big difference. You will learn how to keep your space clean and organized without needing help. Use storage boxes to store small items and label everything to make it easier to find. Dirty clothes in the hamper, not on the floor. This helps to prevent clutter from piling up and keeps the environment smelling pleasant. Separate clothes by color to make laundry easier. A made bed is the first step to a productive and less messy day. Also, change your bed linens weekly to keep everything fresh and clean. The 5-minute rule: if it takes less than 5 minutes to organize, do it now. Small daily actions prevent clutter from building up and make cleaning easier and faster. The washing machine is a time machine that transforms your dirty clothes into fragrant ones. Just press a few buttons and wait a bit. It's important to keep clothes clean and smelling good, but be careful, it can also shrink your favorite shirts. Always check the labels before washing. Use the correct washing machine settings. This way you avoid unpleasant surprises. If possible, read the washing machine manual. Understand each function and setting. This will help you in your daily life. Light colors on one side, dark colors on the other. Simple as that. Separate your clothes before washing. This prevents colors from mixing and staining your favorite clothes. Don't mix cotton with synthetic unless you want a fashion surprise. Each fabric has its own needs. Wash them separately to maintain the quality and durability of your clothes. The single life is like juggling. You are constantly trying to keep everything in the air without dropping anything. You need to balance work, studies, social life, and still find time to take care of yourself. It's a daily challenge that requires discipline and planning, but don't worry, with a little organization, everything becomes easier. Use tools like planners and to-do lists to keep everything under control. Don't rely on your memory. Create a routine and stick to it. Set fixed times for your daily activities and respect them. As much as possible, keep your home stocked with cleaning supplies and basic food items. The logistics of supplying your home should be smart and economical. Don't forget to take some time for yourself. Relaxing is important. Find activities that bring you peace and happiness, like watching a movie, taking a relaxing bath, or even just enjoying the comfort of your couch. Start with these tips and prepare your home so you can eat properly and keep it clean. the single life can be an incredible adventure. Full of opportunities to explore new places, meet new people, and discover more about yourself. But it also requires a bit of organization and care. Start by stocking your home with the items we mentioned in this video. In the next episodes, we'll get down to business. With this manual, you'll be ready to conquer your independence and celebrate every small victory, whether it's learning something new or simply enjoying your own company. In the next video, we'll teach you how to prepare complete and nutritious meals for everyday life in a simple and fast way. Cooking starts at the supermarket, knowing how to shop and avoid waste. So do your shopping, because next Saturday we're going to get our hands dirty and prepare you for the next level in the kitchen. If you like these first tips, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the incredible tips we're preparing for you. And now we're going to give you a step-by-step recipe for you to prepare fluffy rice. Every man who lives alone needs to know this. So let's go. The ingredients are 1 cup of rice, 2 cloves of garlic, half an onion chopped into small pieces, 1 tablespoon of oil or olive oil, 2 cups of water, salt to taste, and a small pot. How to prepare. Wash the rice with the help of a strainer and set it aside. In the pot, over medium heat, add the oil, garlic, and onion. Add the rice, salt, and sauté for about 3 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the 2 cups of water and let it cook over medium heat with the pot partially covered. Watch until the water dries up and turn off the heat. Ready. Now just serve with some protein of your choice. A big hug and see you next episode, always on Saturdays.